So two things I want to talk about in this video. Our sustain pedal technique is the main thing. It's a little awkward at first, but once you get it, it's going to be totally automatic. You won't even have to think about it. But you want to think about it. If this is your hand on the piano, this is your foot. Okay? And this is the ground over here. So if you push the pedal down, and then you play a note. And then what happens is you lift up the note, and the note is still playing because your foot is down, right? So if you want to go to a different note, you meet in the middle, and this guy comes down. So there's no break in the sound. If you're playing, see what I'm doing is I'm pushing the pedal down when I'm playing, and I'm picking up and the sound goes away. Pushing down and the sound goes away, right? And that's not what we want. The whole point of the pedal is to have nice open sound until you get here. And there's no gap in the sound. It's not that either. It is a nice, all the way till you hear this sound. And all the way till you hear this sound. So to train for that, you push both of them down, and then you pick this one up, and then you push this one down again, and then you do a little quick flip with your foot. So you're both down, come up, and push, and then flip, and then push, and then flip, and then push, and then flip. And eventually you want to get this, when this one hits the bottom of the key, that's exactly when this happens. So you got to kind of get to the point. Does that make sense? So you just got to do it a bunch. And the real test, if you flip your foot too quickly, you're going to hear a gap in the sound. You'll hear this. Right? If you wait too long, which is how I want you to start doing it, I want it to be a little muddy. We call it muddy because you're going to be here, and then you're going to play the next chord, and then you pick your foot up. And you notice the sound kind of cleans up. So if I hear this sound and I go to the next one, and I pick it up, all of a sudden the sound cleans up so you can hear just the notes. So you want to start by being a little muddy. But then you want to have a little bit less mud and less mud until it's a nice clean break. But not so far that you go like, right? You don't want a gap. You want to close that gap. So mess with that a little bit. And again, that's going to become totally automatic after a while. Yeah, there you go.